Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to contact WhatsApp customer service. Stick around to the end so you don't miss any details. Before we dive in, it's important to note that you can't directly call WhatsApp or Meta for support. But don't worry, there's still a way to get help. To get started, open WhatsApp and tap the three dots located in the top right corner. Then tap on Settings and scroll down until you find the help option. Tap on that. Here, you'll see the help center with answers to common problems like issues with messaging or account settings. If you find a solution here, great, but if not, you can move on to the next step. Tap on Contact Us. You'll be able to describe your issue in detail. Just type in what's going on, hit Next, and then tap Send my question to WhatsApp support. Once you do that, the WhatsApp support chat will open where you can ask for further assistance with your queries. WhatsApp will respond directly to you through chat. It's a simple way to get in touch with your support team. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to contact WhatsApp for support. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.